All right, traders, so we're going to be breaking down my $1,000 day today. It was a one and done day. I only traded SPY, and I traded it before it broke the trigger level. So I was essentially breaking my rules in order to take this trade and make money. So let's break down the trade and why I did that. Off the day trade watch list, SPY was a long idea today above $441. So we're looking at the 5-minute time frame here for SPY. We have a trend line drawn at 441, which is an absolute excellent level because the stock is definitely showing some resistance at that price point, right? But SPY did not hit 441 early on, yet we were still able to take a trade on it. Yet I still took a trade on it. So why did I do what I did? Watching the 1-minute time frame on SPY, I noted that there was all of this consolidation right here, and it almost looks like some sort of a pattern, right? This pattern is known as a symmetrical triangle pattern. It's a series of lower highs and higher lows, all converging to a singular point. And the idea here is that at this point, the stock then breaks either and makes higher highs or lower lows, breaking the uptrend or the downtrend and giving you direction, right? So what we get at this time is a break of the high of day and higher highs put in. And this exact minute, there was news out this morning. So we get this larger volume candle coming in as well. So going into the alert room, I'm going to scroll up here and give you show you what I was looking at. SPY high of day break, right? So this is the moment that it's happening. SPY high of day break. If this sustains, we can try to take it long. So oftentimes what you'll see is that an area where a stock breaks out of or down from a pattern, that's going to be a hidden level of support and resistance. So where we broke out of this pennant pattern at was right here. Like I said, that's going to be a hidden level of support or resistance, and in this case, support. So we'll clean this up a little bit. We know the pattern's there. We know this is where we break out at. This is our potential level of support, right? So going back to it, SPY, I loaded these contracts, and I went ahead and took my entry. This was at 9:47 a.m. So I give you the exact contracts. I give you the exact stop loss, and check this out. I said 439.6. Right, 439.6. So again, I'm noting that area where the stock broke out of the pattern should hold as support. So stop loss is going to be a break of 439.6. I have a 1.06 fill. So 9:47 a.m. That's going to be on this pullback. I actually took my entry on the pullback on this dip, and then by the time I typed the alert and sent it out, it wasn't I don't think you got notified until it was up here on this candle. Okay, so then the rest is just trade management, right? 956, SPY long now up 15%. 957 now up 20%, and that's where I wound up taking my profit. So I took the full position off as we got to move up into the high of day. And look, if you get the alert coming out and it's 1 minute late and SPY's all the way up to high of day, stay patient, right? If you ever feel like you've missed the move, chances are you did. And if you did stay patient here and you're not buying up at the high of day like a freaking FOMO demon, you get the pullback, you can get an entry pretty close to where I took my entry, right? Somewhere near it. Or if you wait even longer, then you get pretty much the same entry. I mean, I didn't bottom tick this by any means. I probably got in on this candle about closer to the bottom, about midway through. So if you waited even longer, yeah, you do get that perfect retest, the 439.6 yet again before the rally up into that high of day. So that is why I broke the rules this morning for profit, because I was able to adapt and notice two things. Number one, we had a pattern shaping up, right? Intraday price action, pattern shaping up. Then we get a break of that pattern. And number two, the higher volume coming in on news or a positive reaction to a news catalyst. So I do hope the video has helped you out. That is why I broke the rules to make my money today, $1,000 on the day. I saw a few of you post your profits too, so well done on SPY and following through with that trade. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day. Press the like button for me if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in chat. Thank you for your time.